This report checks the money situation of GMA Network and ABS-CBN Corporation from 2022 to 2024. The goal is to see which company is stronger at making money and staying healthy. The results show that GMA Network is healthy, but ABS-CBN Corporation has big problems because it is losing money and has little cash. GMA Network Incorporation is the winner for making a profit. Its profit margin was positive every year, which means it consistently earned more than it spent, even though its margin dropped from 25.3% in 2022 to 11.8% in 2024. It is still profitable. ABS-CBN Corporation, however, lost money every year with a negative profit margin. This clearly shows that ABS-CBN's way of doing business is not working. GMA is also much better at using its property and its owners' money. We see in its positive return on assets or ROA and return on equity or ROE numbers. For example, GMA's high ROE 36 in 2022 means it is successfully growing the money investors put in. ABS-CBN's ROA and ROE are negative, meaning they are losing money from their property and their owners' investments. When we look at the sales, a problem for both companies is that revenues went down from 2022 to 2024. This suggests that the whole market is getting smaller or that both are losing customers to rivals. The biggest money risk belongs to ABS-CBN Corporation. They have a major issues with their current ratio, which checks if they can pay immediate bills. Since ABS-CBN's ratio is below 1.0 down to 0.41 in 2023, it is a high-risk sign. It means they do not have enough quick cash to pay their short-term debts. GMA Network has a strong ratio above 1.0, so they do not have these cash problems. In conclusion, GMA Network Incorporation is the better company because it makes a profit and has strong cash flows. ABS-CBN Corporation in a very weak state because of constant losses and a big risk in paying its bills. GMA Network must find ways to stop sales from dropping and it keeps profit high. ABS-CBN Corporation must quickly focus on making a profit by spending less and selling more to fix its low cash problem and save its future.